Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Arina Pramudita, and I am student of Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. Today, I am here to talk to you about learning at the COVID-19 pandemic. Explain, my objective today is to positive and negative impact of home learning. My presentation is divided into two parts. I will start with the effectiveness of home learning, and finally, I will end with tips not to get bored when learning at home. Let me begin by explaining the effectiveness of home learning. In an effort to prevent the COVID-19 outbreak, the government issued a policy that schools ask their students to study at home. Online learning is considered to be a solution for teaching and learning activities continue in the middle of the corona pandemic. Although it has been agreed, this method has generated controversy. For teachers, online learning systems are only effective for a 6 months. Online learning also has positive and negative impact. The following are positive impact of online learning. 1. Material can be accessed by students wherever and whenever. With online learning, students can open the material and learn it easily. This is supported by the rapidly developing technology that produces smartphone products. 2. We can do learning or read material while doing leisure activities, like while listening to music, sleeping, eating snacks, and so on. 3. Online learning will make it easier for students to enjoy education where they online learning will make it easier for students to enjoy education where they want without being considered by cost, time, and place. That's the positive impact of online learning concurred in the midst of this coronavirus pandemic. So how the negative impact? The following are the negative impact of online learning. 1. Cybercrime can attack online learning applications. The development of technology also does not rule out the possibility of a gap in the system in an application. 2. Teaching and learning activities that are not effective as face-to-face learning. Many students object because effective learning is obtained. A lot of material is poorly understood due to the lack of explanation from the instructor. 3. Stacking text. The online learning system cannot ensure that students present in class are like face-to-face classes. So, some teachers give a 6 month at each meeting as proof that the student is present in his online class. We will look at the effectiveness of home learning and positive and negative impact of home learning. Let's now turn to tips for not boring when learning at home. The following tips make the atmosphere of learning from home remain enjoyable, such as 1. Provide a comfortable place to study. Choose a seat to study. 3. The seat has a comfortable back and foam to sit. 2. Make sure the internet connection is good. A good internet connection will make it easier for you to stay connected with teacher and literature while learning from home. 3. Make a schedule such a study schedule at school. Making a schedule like school hours will make us realizing that studying at home does not mean a day off so that can be lazy. I hope you can apply it when learning at home. I'd like to conclude by summarizing that I hope the explanation above will benefit us all. Creating a pleasant atmosphere of learning at home is one of the important things we need to do so learning at home does not seem boring. Well, that's it from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.